Hello everyone, it's listing day today, and the first stop we have is 1979 Eldridge Loop here in Pennecamp. So we're going to take a look around. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, little over 1,650 square foot home. I think you're going to like it, so let's go on in. Yeah. I already opened the door, aren't we lucky? All right, flip that around. Here we go. Get some more of the lights on. This home is being offered turnkey. All of the furniture and fixtures, with the exception of, as far as I know, this table at this moment does not convey. All right, so we're walking in. This is the dining room, living room space. It's very wide open and bright. It does have a solar tube, so it is bringing in, or has 2 solar tubes here. One in the dining room, one in the living room, to bring in a lot of natural light. So we walk in the entranceway, dining room. Immediately to the left, we can consider this a 3rd bedroom here in the Villages because it does not have a closet. And they do it all the time, but this is a den and office. You could possibly change the doorway if you choose to do so, or make it, put a Murphy bed in here. So it is truly an office and bedroom area for guests. We have laminate floor throughout, which was when my seller purchased the home. It had old carpeting, so we changed that out. This is the guest bedroom. And actually, this is really very nicely decorated. That photo can go on the wall, but we have a nice big large closet. This is a double bed, queen size bed. Again, nice laminate floor. Get the light on here. Here's that. So, office, guest room, bathroom, and we do have the pocket door here for privacy. So if you have, adult children living with you, or if you have one of your parents living with you, they will have some privacy. Also, if you have guests, they shut that off and they have privacy when they go to sleep at night. And this is the 2nd full bath. Maple cabinets, and we do have laminate, but it's a nice looking laminate. I like that star. That star's back over there. Okay, I'll take a little swing around. Trying to turn the lights on, but it's still pretty bright in here for not having much lighting. If you put some up lighting, I think you'd be pleasantly surprised at the difference. So now we're going to walk in to the kitchen, which is kind of open but kind of separate. Garage entrance. This is a 2-car garage, a full 2. Laundry with storage and storage cabinets, a utility sink. And has a pocket door here too. Close off the laundry. Now we are in the Village of Pennecamp. It is just north of 466A off of St. Charles. So you're still you're in between Sumter and Brownwood, but you do have quick access off of Buena Vista. Once you get on 466A, you can hit 301 really quickly if you need to get to the Turnpike or 75. This has a solar tube here in the kitchen as well. And, so you have a breakfast bar here. And dining table here. If you're looking for a rental property, this, you really don't have to do anything to it. It's really ready to go, unless you wanted to change out some of the furnishings. I think that you could start generating some income from this right away. I'm gonna walk into the master. Oh yeah. Okay. Master bedroom and big walk-in closet. I'm not going to take you in there because I think it's a little messy right now. So, very large master bath. Again, we have laminate throughout. Big walk-in shower. Just take a spin through here. The yard, it's the lanais are a little on the close side, but there is a lot of shrubbery, so it gives you plenty of privacy. You can see, and you know what's kind of cool here? So this is, we have the enclosed lanai with glass sliders, which is nice, but they also, the people who purchased this before my seller must have been really into plants, because they built on, if you can see that, an extra little bird cage. And although obviously my guy's not definitely not the horticulturist, but you could have a nice little garden going on out here. And then they have a separate pad outside with the grill on it. But you can see with all of the shrubs between the neighbors and here, you definitely have a lot of privacy. All right, so there you have it. This is 1979 Eldridge Loop. I promised you one more stop out in the garage. Let's take a look. I like natural light better. All right, so this is a Yamaha gas golf cart, included in the purchase of the sale. And if you're a pickleball fan, he'll include all his medals. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for watching this episode and this tour of 1979 Eldridge Loop. I am going to answer one question or a response that I had on one of my videos, where they commented that I need to put the camera further away from my face. And people, this is as far as it goes, because I'm only 5'3". My wingspan is not that large, and seriously, I really don't want this camera this close to my face either, but this is what we get. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Before we go, I'm going to take a span of the neighborhood for you to see if you're interested in this home. Right up there, that's how to get in contact with me. And if you're interested in purchasing a home in Florida, my name is Robyn Cavallaro. I am a licensed realtor here in the state of Florida. You know, call me, I'm your girl. Actually, you know what? I just saw on something, they don't do this anymore for phone, they do this. This used to mean nap time when we were little, right? All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, don't forget. And actually, what time is I have to leave? I have another listing. That one's going to be a beauty. All right, so let's go. And yes, he just blinged out the driveway. That was done maybe about a month ago. And it is 9:30 a.m. You can see where the sun is.